Okay, this is the White River. You don't even see the small waterfall because it's completely submerged. And here, this garbage. That's Westfield Boulevard up there. I'm on the Monon Trail. And here, this garbage is usually way, way down and a lot less. But here's people who've lost their docks. This is wild to see it. Look how much it's flowing through there. And then across the Monon Trail, make sure there's no cars coming. Oh, wow. So this is how high up on the pylon the water is flowing. Wow, you usually see most of that pylon. This is so amazing to see the power of the water and all these thunderstorms. Monon Trail, just above Broadrickle. Look at that tree out, way out there, it's shaking. I think it's a piece of a branch. It's the power of water. Woo! Oh, it's starting to sprinkle again. Gotta go.